A predator of financial markets bows out not in triumph but in the shadow of controversy. As truth and resilience triumph over manipulation, no amount of dazzling words or theatrical bravado can cloak a crumbling empire built on short-lived shocks and speculations. Namaskar. I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Ritam. In an unexpected twist that sent ripples across global markets, Nathan Anderson, the founder of the notorious short seller firm Hindenburg Research, announced on January 15th the abrupt disbandment of his firm. This surprising declaration marks the end of a polarizing chapter in the world of financial investigations, where accusations flew, empires wobbled, and truth ultimately prevailed. Anderson's decision to shut down Hindenburg was wrapped in a cloak of personal reflection, but the timing and context tell a far more intriguing story. Hindenburg Research gained notoriety with claims of stock manipulation and accounting fraud targeting major firms, including Adani Group, Nikola Corporation, Block Incorporation, and Lordstown Motors. The firm's reports led to significant stock price declines, regulatory probes, and even criminal charges against some companies. However, its aggressive tactics faced criticism for lack of transparency, short selling for profit, and harming innocent investors. Despite claiming to champion transparency, Hindenburg's speculative assaults often prioritized disruption over constructive analysis, leaving a controversial legacy of market manipulation disguised as investigative prowess. Hindenburg made global headlines in early 2023 when it targeted the Adani Group, a key player in India's economic growth. Accusations of stock manipulation and accounting fraud caused a massive drop in Adani's share prices, wiping out billions of dollars in market value. The Indian conglomerate, however, firmly denied these allegations, labeling them as baseless and politically motivated attacks on India's progress. Adani Group CFO Jogeshender Singh's cryptic post following Anderson's announcement sums up the sentiment of many. Kitne gazi aaye, kitne gazi gaye. Translating to, many conquerors came, many conquerors have gone back. His words resonate as a fitting epitaph for a firm whose modus operandi was to thrive on sensationalism and speculative attacks, not on constructive market analysis. The timing of Hindenburg's closure coincides with significant political shifts. Just days before President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration, U.S. Attorney Brian Peace, named two controversial figures like George Soros, resigned from his position. Peace had been involved in bringing bribery charges against Gautam Adani, a move widely criticized as an overreach by U.S. authorities into India's domestic affairs. Congressman Lance Gooden's pointed questions to Attorney General Merrick Garland about the Justice Department's actions against Adani underscores the selective and biased nature of these probes. Gooden's statements highlight a stark reality. The indictment alleged acts conducted entirely within India involving Indian citizens and officials with no apparent injury to U.S. interests. Despite this, Hindenburg eagerly exploited the narrative, raising suspicions about its motivations and backers. The Justice Department's failure to act against US-based firms involved in election controversies while pursuing Adani aggressively raises red flags about double standards and ulterior motives. In August 2024, Hindenburg once again tried to ignite controversy by alleging misconduct involving SEBI chairperson Madhavi Puri Buch and her husband. The report claimed their involvement in offshore investments linked to Adani. This sensationalist claim was promptly refuted by Buch, who called it baseless and transparent. Even as Hindenburg doubled down, Adani Group stocks rebounded, proving the resilience of truth against smear campaigns. The Supreme Court of India's refusal to hand over Adani investigation to an SIT, instead directing SEBI to complete its probe, marked another blow to Hindenburg's credibility. By mid-2024, Adani shares had regained their former strength, a testament to investor confidence and the strength of the Indian market. While Anderson romanticizes his journey as one of the intense focus and personal sacrifice, the reality is far from noble. Hindenburg's reports shook markets but failed to break the foundations of truth. Their relentless attacks, often based on exaggerated claims, served more as tools for manipulation than for justice. The firm's disbandment may bring an end to its reign of market disruption, but it will be remembered as a cautionary tale of ambition tainted by political intrigue. Anderson's tactics have proven disastrous for investors' trust, leaving a trail of disillusionment and no joy among those who value market stability. As India's economy stands resilient, the closure of Hindenburg Research is a chapter that closes with triumph for truth and growth over deceit and opportunism. The Adani Group and India move forward, unshaken and stronger, proving that no conqueror of markets lasts when their empire is built on shadows. Jai Hind.